Good afternoon, I'm looking for Mr. Smith, Ronald
Speaking.
Smith. Oh, Mr. Smith. Hello, good afternoon. Michael Kennedy is my name, a civilian with the Road Traffic Office at Strathclyde Police.
Yes, sir.
It's a call about a notice of prosecution that we've sent to you.
Aye.
You haven't responded to an alleged offence.
Oh, I have.
You're down as the registered keeper.
I've now passed you the details that say who the registered keeper is. I haven't had the car, and I filled in all the documentation at the time.
Well, my
In
colleagues...
fact, it was never actually my car. It was a leased car.
My colleagues, that's by the by. You were in charge of the vehicle
No.
on the 16th of August 2003, as far as we are concerned.
Christ, it's their car.
I'll ask you one more time, Mr. Smith,
Yes.
to comply with us here.
Well, wait a minute. Now, don't bother getting official with me. Now, I'll provide you with any information you like, but I can assure you I was not in charge and I was not the registered keeper of the vehicle in August.
Well, could you tell me who was driving the car at
No,
90...
I couldn't. I've no idea. I gave the car back.
You were in charge of the vehicle at this time?
According to whom?
Well, according to us in the logbook.
According to your records, perhaps.
Correct.
But I'm sorry, the records in that case must be incorrect.
We've got videographic evidence of the car.
Of course you have. The car exists, it's just not mine.
Well, who's driving it? Can you furnish us with the details of the driver?
I'll give you I've already given you the details.
Can you tell me where you were on the 16th of August?
Just let me check my diary, I will. It was a Saturday. And my diary doesn't tell me where I was on a Saturday, funnily enough.
It's not adding up as far as I'm concerned.
Well, I'm terribly sorry about that, but I've sent you guys a receipt that says the vehicle was collected from me. I've provided you with details of who the registered owner is now.
All you need to do is to tell me where you were on the 16th of August. Were you somewhere that you shouldn't? Because that is confidential.
Oh, no, Michael, I'm sorry. I've got nothing to hide in that regard, no. I can't tell you because I'm looking at my office diary, and funnily enough, my office diary doesn't have where I was on a Saturday.
Unfortunately, by law, you're still the registered keeper.
Well, I can understand why, in terms of the paper trail, that would be the case.
But unless you can prove otherwise, you will be charged with the offence.
Oh well, but steady on, Michael. Don't start that business about I can't tell you where I was. You've asked. If I asked you where you were on the evening of the Saturday, the 16th of August, could you tell me?
Well, I'm building up the picture of someone who perhaps may be slightly absent-minded.
You've decided that I'm absent-minded and you're entitled to your own opinion about that.
Well, the facts just don't add up, do they?
Do they? All right, fair enough.
Well, you know what I mean.
No, I don't actually, but...
I'm going to take this report to my boss this afternoon, who may want to phone you himself.
That'll be fine.
I'll
be very pleased to speak to him.
He may get in contact with you
And
legally.
who's your boss, please?
If you want to write his name down. He's an inspector. It's Inspector Robin Galloway, Ronald.
Robin Galloway.
From the Real Radio Breakfast Show.
You son of a...
Who's Kate Harkin?
I'll kill her. She will die horribly. And so will you if I get my hands on you.
I'm fleeing the country. Though obviously adhering to the speed limit.
Pardon? I didn't hear that. I have to say,
yes,
you're very good.
I do it for a living. Just because she's bought the next one.
Hello?
Hello, can I speak to Marilyn, please?
Speaking.
Marilyn Innes. Good afternoon. It's Terry Williams here from Arbuthnot and McClanahan in Edinburgh. I got your number from Glynis.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. Dewar's lot have just been on to us just now. We fly in the ointment, I'm afraid. He's withdrawn his offer.
I'm not accepting that.
Sorry, say again?
I'm not accepting that.
You're instructing me not to accept that?
I'll have to speak to my husband about this.
Do you do everything he says?
No, I don't. I think you're getting a bit cheeky.
Well, I'd like to try and resolve it before the close of business this afternoon.
Well, I will get back to you.
He's saying that the bathroom needs retiled.
Aye, right.
There's grouting which is discoloured.
Not.
The stairwell to the flat is quite, to use his term, clarty.
All right, good for him.
And covered in graffiti.
Well, whatever. I'm not taking on what you're saying because it's just old age.
He said that the decoration in the flat was old-fashioned.
Pardon?
I haven't met you. You're not an elderly lady.
I'm certainly not.
I understand that you've already purchased a new property.
Yes, but as I said, Bob's dealing with that, and that's the person I'm dealing with, nobody else.
He said you were a bit stroppy.
Well, he's never met me, so how can he say that? He only met my husband.
But he's spoken to
So
you on the
as far
phone.
as I'm concerned, this is a load of bullshit.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, you keep a civil tongue in your head, lady.
Well, the same goes for you, and I don't deal with you because you're not dealing with my property. It's Bob and Glennis.
I'm a junior partner in this law firm, I'll have you
Well,
know.
I've never heard of you.
Well, that's by the by.
Is it? Well, no, to me it's not. I deal with the person that I've been dealing with all along, and it certainly wasn't you, and I've never heard of your name.
What's wrong with your attitude?
I'm just saying, I'll phone Bob and find out what's going on.
You have to do
I'll
everything.
deal with him.
You have to do everything that your husband says. Is that what it is? You can't make up your own mind.
I'll deal with Bob. I'll phone him.
I'm sure you will.
Hello?
Merlin, don't put the phone down on me like
I
that.
will put the phone down. I'm not dealing with you. I'm going to phone the person I'm dealing with. And it's certainly not you.
I've been instructed to act on behalf of Glynis.
I have never been notified in that, so I'm certainly not dealing with you.
What do you want me to say to Mr. Jure's party?
I'm not wanting you to say anything. I'll phone Bob up and find out what's going on. I am not dealing with you.
Look, you stupid tart. Tell me what you want me to do.
I beg your pardon. Here, you calling a tart. I'll be phoning the office. Goodbye. Hello?
Marilyn, don't report me to the office.
Well, I'm going to phone the office. I'm not dealing with you, okay?
I didn't mean to say what I meant to say there.
I'm not caring. I'm not dealing with you.
But there's no need to be like that.
What's your name?
Have you got a pen?
Yes, I do.
Marilyn, it's Robin Galloway at the Real Radio Breakfast.
Oh, you know yes! They are. Oh, she is dead. She is dead.
The Real Wind-Up with Arnold Clark, keeping Scotland's motorists smiling for nearly 50 years. Radio.